Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And this isn't an event, but McKenna came over to work and we were playing in the rain.
It's like up to our ankles right now and it just started raining 20 minutes ago.
Yeah, it's like actually flooded. These kids are laughing at us and asking what we're doing.
And we're ignoring them because
when the sun shines, we shine together.
we have a whole day.
I think I like when it rains. Call up some friends, we'll have some fun.
Hello there. Hi, Bobby. Hi, Bobby. I'm a mess. Bring me a little water now. Bring me a little water, Sylvie. Call Sophie. Hi, Mommy. I don't know if my dad can see me. Oh, did it go ahead? So great.
Get us out.
Anyways,
Dream.
that's the end of the vlog.
Dream.
Bye, vlog.
Hit the hay, fast asleep. Dream a dream, a little bleep. Dream. You're doing it, Max.